G'day, Mark Costa here. Just wanted to demo the ClickFunnels 2.0 domain feature. I've already posted a couple of videos showing how to connect domains to ClickFunnels 2.0, but I just saw in the discussion area in Marketing Secrets, that's the area you get access to once you have signed up for ClickFunnels 2.0 or the old version of ClickFunnels. I saw some people having some problems connecting their domains up through the back end of ClickFunnels 2.0. And I had a bit of a play around, and I think I know what the problem is here. So I'm just specifically going to look at how to connect the domain using GoDaddy and show this common problem that people seem to be coming up against. So this is the thread that was started by someone, and they're unable to connect up their domain by putting in this text record into their DNS settings. So I'll go and have a look at that specifically by connecting up a domain. So before I get on any further though, if you haven't got on to ClickFunnels 2.0, then use the link below my video here to get on to ClickFunnels 2.0. It's a real game changer in terms of marketing software. And I'll tell you a little bit more about a bonus package that I've got if you sign up using my link. I'll tell you more about that at the end of this video. But yeah, on with connecting up a domain. So to connect the domain in the back end, you go to the second tab here, Site and Funnels, and go down to domains down here. And you can actually buy a domain through their backend, or you can connect an existing domain. So we're going to do that. And I'm just going to get one of the domains I already have in my GoDaddy account. So this one is Gold Coast Home Window Tinting.com.au. So I'm going to copy that to the clipboard and paste it in here. And they want you to put a subdomain out the front of it. So I'm just going to put www out the front and say continue. Okay, and then it's going to come up with this. You need to click the add domain part, and then ClickFunnels 2.0 wants you to verify that you actually are the owner of this domain. So I'm going to leave this clicked. It's going to redirect the traffic to the naked sort of domain name to the www dot. Okay, so we go. We can say start domain setup, and I think for most domain registrars that will now have an automated process. But last time I checked, it wasn't working for GoDaddy, so you had to go through this manual process here, and you say show DNS table. And the first step is this one here. So we need to put in this record as a text record. So I'm going to copy that to the clipboard, go back over to GoDaddy, and I'm going to go within the domain management settings here. I'm going to say add. And then it's going to be a text record. So I go down to TXT, put in an @ symbol, which just means like the base domain name, and put in that code that I just copied to the clipboard. I'll say add record. Okay, now when you're changing DNS settings, it can sometimes take a while for these settings to propagate across the internet and for it to actually work on the other end. So I've done that, but on ClickFunnels, it might take a few minutes or some amount of time until it gets recognized. So click refresh. I'll click on this manual setup thing again, say show DNS table. Okay, it's still in red. So I might click there again, see whether it's working. Click refresh. Okay, do that, manual DNS records. Okay, and we've got the green tick. So at this stage, I think that maybe the back end just needs a little bit more work to make it obvious what you're supposed to do at this stage. So I tend to just keep on clicking around until I find the right thing to do. I'm pretty well sure that we click on manual setup again. Unable to connect. Okay, maybe click on this one. Okay, that's not working. Click on refresh. Keep on trying. Okay, now we get this yellow box come up and we say validate ownership. All right, it's going through. And then when we click on the show DNS records, it shows the one we've just entered, but now we've got new ones we need to enter. And it's this second one here that people have been having some problems with. So what you need to do here is another text record. So we copy this part here, copy, and paste it into GoDaddy. So we go add record, and we say text record, and we paste it in there. And then we go back to ClickFunnels, and we get this big set of code here, copy that, and we copy it in on the value side here. Okay, and then where people have been having the problem is you click add record and it comes up with this error. And it's really not clear what you've done because you've done exactly what you were told to do. But I noticed there seems to be this white space here. I think that's the problem. So if you look at that, there's some white space at the front there. Just delete that And the first time I did this, I deleted that. I said add record, and it comes up with the same error. I went, oh no, it's not the solution. So it turns out there's some white space at the end here that you need to delete as well. So delete that, okay, and then click add record, and now it works. Okay. Once again, it may take a little while to get registered, or, for it to propagate across the internet. So while that propagates, I'm going to do the last one, which is a CNAME record for the www subdomain. And you can have other ones. You can have go or get or try or something like that. Okay, so I've copied that to the clipboard. Now when I go add, this one's not a text record, it's a CNAME. And it's going to be the www. And then we're going to put the value in here. Okay, and then we're going to add record. Okay, and see it's come up with the error again. So what you need to do is look for any white space that might be around. Okay, that seems to be okay. Is there any white space here? Add record. Okay, so I just paused it for a second there because this is giving me another error. And I've checked for white space. There doesn't seem to be any issues here. Now what I think is the problem is that I'm just doing this by demonstration. I haven't actually used this domain for anything before. And so I think the other records in the backend of GoDaddy are causing this problem. So if your domain is currently parked, I believe that this is the problem. So let me just check out that theory. So we're going to edit that record and change it from parked to some value. I don't think it probably really matters. So I'm just going to say 1.1.1.1. So it has to be, for an A record, it has to be some 4-part IP address. So we're going to say save there. Okay, so that seems to have saved. And now I'm going to try this again and see whether it works. No, it's not working. Okay, so I might just pause the video and see whether I can work this out. Okay, so a bit of troubleshooting on the run here. What I forgot here is that GoDaddy has already set up, or maybe I did in the past, I can't remember, a CNAME for www already. So I'm trying to add another one when there's already one there. So I just want to clear this, and I want to change the record I already have. So just check that if you're getting the same sort of error. If you do get errors, just check to make sure the record you're adding, there's not one there already for it. So I'm going to edit this, and I'm going to change that to be the one that GoDaddy gave me, and click save. Okay, now that seems to be working. All right, so I've got success. I'm going to go back here. I'll say refresh, and it hasn't. Oh, okay, no, it's still going. Yes, it has. So the domain key one has gone through. That had a bit of time, but I've only just lodged the CNAME one, so that might take a little while before it goes through. I might just pause the video again. Okay, so I tried a couple more times, only took a few more seconds, and now all three have got green ticks. And now you can use those within your funnels or your funnel hub or your site. You can connect that domain so that when you want people to go to your funnel or whatever, then it's via that domain to get there. Now we have noticed at this stage, ClickFunnels 2.0 does have a little glitch, I think, where it says adding SSL to your domain may take up to 48 hours, but that doesn't seem to change. Even after much longer than 48 hours, it still has this particular message. But you can still use your domain. So I think that everything is set up. It's just a matter of ClickFunnels not alerting you to the fact that it's ready to go. All right, so I think that runs you through some of the things you might face if you're trying to connect the domain to your ClickFunnels 2.0 account. Let me know in the comments if you have any other issues, and I can do more videos, or we can try to work it out. If you haven't got onto ClickFunnels 2.0 yet, then there is a limited amount of time to get onto a really huge package that Russell Brunson is offering. So it's the Funnel Builder Secrets package. It includes all of ClickFunnels 2.0 at a Funnel Hacker level annual plan, which is a great plan with unlimited funnels and all sorts of other stuff. Also gives you access to 12 months of ClickFunnels Classic, the original. Gives you this massive course, the Funnel Builder Secrets course. Gives you access to this Funnel Builder visualization software, which is called Geru. It gives you access to masterclass called 10x Secrets Masterclass, and all sorts of other trainings. So that's available only for a very limited amount of time. I think it's only another 36 hours or so more at this point in time when I launched this video. Now, if you want to get that, I've also got a bonus package available where you can get that and also some extra training. So I've got access to a training course that has been licensed for me to provide to you by Paul Murphy, where he teaches you how to get ranked on Google and on YouTube for your own videos within 24 hours that can send traffic to whatever your offer happens to be. I'm also offering some of my time in a private consultation, so we can talk about anything digital marketing. I've got a lot of experience in terms of SEO, growing multiple websites to over 100,000 in traffic through SEO, experience with affiliate marketing. So we've launched sites that have got up to 6 figures in affiliate revenue through multiple websites. And through that process, I've learned a lot about conversion rate optimizations. So how to get people, once they're on your site, to go and do what you want them to do. So I don't often offer my time one-on-one available, but if you sign up for ClickFunnels 2.0 using my link, then you can get a private consultation with me where we can go through whatever will help you with your digital marketing. So that's only available if you sign up via my link and you stick with ClickFunnels 2.0 for 30 days or more. You also get access to unlimited group coaching with Paul Murphy. So this is coaching all about this video ranking method for getting coverage on the front page of Google and on YouTube for whatever you want to market. And also there's a 4-day course that walks through step by step how to get your stuff ranked on Google through that YouTube video approach. So all up, that entire bonus package is worth over $13,000, and it includes the ability to take those bonuses, minus my consultation, take those bonuses and package them up and give them to other people as a bonus when you're promoting your own stuff. So it's got an incredible value for you now and for you in the future as an added bonus you can give away yourself. So if you'd like to get your hands on that, then use my link below this video to sign up for ClickFunnels 2.0. And then all I need you to do is send me an email at support@marktalksmarketing.com with a copy of your receipt, so I can just see that you've used my link to sign up, and then I'll send all the bonuses to you. All right, so if you appreciated this video, then please click like and subscribe, and I'll make more videos like this to help you out with your ClickFunnels 2.0 and other marketing needs. All right, thanks for your time, and see you on the next video.